Hey there friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can record your group video chats in Telegram. This feature is really useful if, for example, you're holding a team meeting for work using the Telegram platform. You can record the group video chat for use later on, for reference later on. So to get started, let's start a group video chat, which I'm going to do by clicking on this button at the top right, and I'm going to click on Start Video Chat. I'm going to be using my personal account, and I'm going to click Continue. So let's say some people have joined in and the meeting is about to start. To start recording this, all you have to do is click on this context menu in the top left, and then click on Start Recording. So you can also choose to record video or just audio. So I'm going to be also recording video for this example, and I'm going to click on continue. So I can set a recording title. Let's say this is a meeting recording, and there we go. So the red dot at the top of the group name indicates it has started recording. If ever at some point during this video call you want to pause or stop the recording, you can do so by going back to that same context menu and clicking on stop recording. So now it saved it in my saved messages. I'm going to be leaving this group chat, this group video call, and I can forward this to the group chat for quick access. I forwarded it to the wrong thing. There we go. So this is what it would look like. So that's pretty much it. It's a really quick and easy how-to, quick little tip that's very useful and very impactful. So I hope you're able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.